In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram story before it finishes uploading. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, but you have to be really quick to do that. And let me show you how you can do it. So first, let's say I want to add a story to my account. I can hit on plus sign there and select some video from my camera roll, and let's say I want to upload that video to my story. I can hit there at next, then hit share, then hit on done, and now I can hit there, and when it says uploading I can quickly open up Control Center and enable airplane mode. Now there wait until it gives us a mistake where it says uploading. There would be no internet connection mistake, and here is it, upload failed, try again. Now I can hit add three dots icon and there select discard video and there hit add delete. So I have just deleted Instagram story before it finished uploading. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.